song earned a Grammy nomination.
Nothing like a little late drama between the Yankees and Orioles. Bucks boys looking to avoid being swept. Hey, welcome back. Andy Pettitte on the mound. First start since July.